The Toyota Land Cruiser 300 series has been upgraded for the first time since it was introduced, with the new 2025 version set to arrive in the second quarter of next year, donning newer interior tech, more safety kit and extra equipment. More welcome tech includes new digital instrument clusters across the board, 7 inches for the GX and GXL, 12.3 for the rest, while the GX has been treated to electric steering column adjustment, LED front lighting and guidelines for the reversing camera. The GXL meantime gets suede-like fabric upholstery, 8-way power adjustment for the driver's seat, 4-zone climate control and a center cool box, while the VX scores 8-way power adjustment for the passenger seat, a gesture-controlled tailgate and an HDMI port that replaces the old CD/DVD player. Toyota says more details and pricing will be confirmed closer to the updated 300 series launch, but the latter would be expected to increase based on industry trends. The Land Cruiser 300 series range continues to be powered by a 3.3-liter twin-turbo diesel V6 engine that produces 227 kilowatts per 700 Newton-meters and uses a permanent four-wheel drive system with a 10-speed automatic transmission. Toyota's latest infotainment system has been added, running on an 8.0-inch screen in the GX and GXL, down from a 9.0-inch display previously, upgraded to a 12.3-inch screen in other models. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, previously wired, is new across the range. Connected satellite navigation is also standard across the range, as are new features for Toyota Connected Services and the My Toyota phone app, including remote access to the climate controls, vehicle and trip information, and additional alerts. New features, aside from infotainment and active safety, on the GX include a power-adjustable steering column, LED front interior lighting, and guidelines for its reversing camera. Added to the VX is an 8-way power-adjustable front passenger seat, a power-operated tailgate, and an HDMI port to replace the CD/DVD player. The LC300 rides on Toyota's new TNGA chassis, which it shares with the Tundra pickup truck in the USA that was launched around the same time as this new cruiser. It's still a body-on-frame design but now employs more high-strength steel in key areas to improve stiffness, while using aluminum and some suspension components to reduce weight. Suspension is a double wishbone, coil-sprung independent setup at the front and live rear axle at the back, located by multi-links and riding on coils. The GR Sport adds a puddle lamp on the inside of the tailgate, while the Sahara and Sahara ZX are unchanged. The GX's coil-sprung suspension performs brilliantly, with a firm yet progressive feel. Steering is also nicely weighted and direct for such a large wagon, full points there. Meanwhile, the GR Sport and Sahara ZX get adaptive dampers that enable you to select Comfort, Sport or Sport Plus settings to suit your driving preference and style. The GR Sport's EKDSS system works on the front and rear sway bars to lighten the tension on them when driving at low speeds off-road, and tighten them up for firmer body control at higher speeds on road. The Toyota Land Cruiser 300 series has a brake towing capacity of 3,500 kilograms, with a tow ball download rating of 350 kilograms.